Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp, where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's section or today's tutorial, we all are going to look into how to group, how to edit, and how to add in AutoCAD. So I will let us understand also that if your object keeps moving separately in AutoCAD, you are doing it in a wrong way. Groups are supposed to make your work faster, but one small settings can completely breaks everything. So if you don't know how to do your group work in AutoCAD, it is going to ruin your drawings. So in the next few minutes of this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create, how to edit, how to add, and how to fix group instantly for a betterment of your job. So without wasting much time, we are going to make use of this particular object here. This object that we all are seeing here, or this diagram we all are seeing here, is what we are going to use to achieve our today's tutorial. So where we are going to find the group is under this group panel of the home ribbon. See where my arrow is pointing. This is the groups. As you can see, now if you look up here, you will see the group. Now before that, these lines are separately. They are individual lines. As you can see, they are all individual lines. They are not grouped. So if I'm to move these ones now, what I will do, I will just move them because I selected them one after the other. So what I'm going to do now is, if I should move this one, it will move because it's an independent line. So what we are going to do, we want to make sure that we group this drawing or this object here so that it will be easy to access during moving and copying. So we just go down, you come up here, activate your group command, click on it. Now it's telling you to select object. So you go ahead and click the object which you want to group. You can click them by one after the other. Then say enter, press enter. Now these ones now I've already grouped them. Now if you check very well now, they are now together. They are no longer an individual line. So you can move them up and down. So this is how you can move the group objects which you have already grouped. Now I want to also show us something. Now I have grouped these ones. If I should move this one now, it's going to move the only part which I have already grouped. As you can see, it's only this side. Now let's say I want to add another one into this particular one that I have already grouped. So what you need to do, if you check, these ones are still singles, they are still individual, independent line. They are not depending on anybody. So what you need to do, since I want to add some from here to here, I have to come down here. You see group edit. You click on group edit. It's telling you to select the group which you have already grouped. So you go ahead and click on that particular object which you have already grouped. It will now pop up three options for you, which is letting you know to select either add object, remove object, or rename. So since we want to add, we will just go ahead and click on add object. Now it's also prompting you to select the object which you also want to include in a group. So I will pick this one and also pick this particular one and pick this arc as well. Now after picking the object which you want to include, you go ahead and click enter. Now I've already added them. Now if I should highlight on this, now as you can see those three that I added, which is one, two, three, they have added here. Now if I'm to move it, they will all move out because it is now grouped. Now leaving this side is not grouped because they are individual lines. So let's go back. Now let's check in how to edit and how to remove. So what you need to do, come back here, click on still that group edit, select the group, then you want to remove object this time around, you click on remove object. Now I want to remove here, I want to remove this one. I want to also remove this particular one. Now after doing that, you click enter. Now those ones you have already removed will no longer be together. So this is how you can add and edit in group. Now let's check on how we can ungroup them. Now since these particular objects are being grouped, what do I need to do now? I want to remove them. You will come down here, it said ungroup. Once you click this ungroup, it will automatically become individual lines again. Let's see. I will click on this ungroup. Now if you check very well, there is no longer grouped objects here. They are now individual objects. So this is how you can group, add and also remove from AutoCAD. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. I post practical tutorials every week for easy learn. Thank you and see you next. Bye.